Welcome to the Grand Velas. I am in a Parlor Plus suite, which is an extremely large room, one level below an actual full suite, and it is a one bedroom, two full bathrooms. So here is the tour. When you walk in, you're in this hallway. You've got a closet right here. It is quite large. As we turn around, the next door immediately to your left is the first bathroom. It's very big. It's got a tub, big vanity, and the toilet. Stepping away, coming into the main part. By the way, this is a door for a connecting room if you are in a larger group. This is the parlor suite. And this is very large. Full living room with a dining area and a hut which has a mini bar. This is the primary bedroom. It's always two queen beds here. Large closet right here. Robes. Slippers, bathroom, shower stall, vanity, toilet. Last but not least, the view from the terrace. The terrace is quite large. It's finished nicely. The best for last, this is the view.